If you've used something like a Samsung phone before and then grab a Google Pixel, one of the first questions usually is, how can I change the app grid to a custom order? And the short answer is, you can't. It's hard-coded to stay in alphabetical order and cannot be changed. But I have some pro tips that actually allow you to find your apps faster. Let's talk about search first. This is how Google wants you to use the Pixel. You'll swipe up to open the app drawer, and then, instead of searching and swiping to find an app, you can type in a couple of characters in the search bar, and your app will pop up in the search results. If you've ever used an iPhone, this is pretty similar to the iPhone search. If you want, you can make the search workflow even easier by setting your phone to automatically bring up the keyboard when app drawer opens. I'll go to the app drawer, activate the search, and I can then tap the little gear icon on the right side of my screen. Then I'll toggle on Swipe Up to start search, and the search bar will be active with the keyboard visible every time I swipe up to bring up the app drawer. The search is super fast, and it's not just for apps. You can search for websites as well. Might take some getting used to, but you might realize this is faster than having a custom-ordered app grid. Another thing that's worth mentioning is the suggestions row, the apps that are shown on the very top when you bring up the app drawer. These are not random by any means. Your Pixel phone learns your behavior over time and predicts which apps you need and when. If you always open Spotify at 8 a.m., it'll be sitting on the very top every morning. And lastly, if you really want apps in a grid format and in a custom order, you can use the home screen for that. You can add as many apps as you want, and these can be organized anywhere on the screen across multiple pages. To add apps to the home screen, you'll just find them from the app drawer. Long press on the app you want to add, and then choose Add to Home Screen. And on the home screen, you can tap, hold, and drag them to a custom order. So that's how app organization works on Pixel phones. A little different compared to some other Android phones, but once you get used to it, this all feels pretty smooth and fast. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.